In this video, I'm going to show you the benefits of hemp oil for your beard, mustache, skin, and hair growth. Now, one of the main ingredients in traditional beard oil is hemp oil. So you may be wondering what hemp oil is. Well, hemp seed oil is produced by pressing the plant's seeds, which results in the glorious green-tinged good stuff. Although hemp seed oil does not contain any traceable amounts of THC, which causes the psychoactive effects associated with marijuana use, it does have many magical benefits. This industrial hemp is perfectly legal in most parts of the world, Europe, and the USA, and it's used to produce cosmetics, food, and other products that you probably use every day. Okay, so now that we've cleared all that up, let's get on to why hemp oil is such a good product for you to use in your beard and hair. Hemp seed oil penetrates and is absorbed easily into the skin, helping to replenish oils missing due to sun exposure and poor nutrition. It's full of vitamins containing vitamins A, C, E, proteins, beta-carotenes, as well as being rich in essential omega-3, 6, and 9 fatty acids, along with nutrients that make it perfect for all hair types, as well as giving benefits for skin. Although loved by many, its familiar nutty scent can take a little getting used to for some people. So what are the main benefits of hemp oil for hair? Number 1, it moisturizes. Hemp oil has high moisturizing properties, which nourishes not just the beard and facial hair, but also the skin and scalp. Being high in vitamin E makes it a great natural hair conditioner. As you rub it into your skin, it increases blood circulation, and it penetrates into the hair shaft. It also helps prevent water loss and keeps more moisture in the beard, hair, and skin. Number 2, it stimulates hair growth. Hemp oil penetrates into the skin and hair easily, and it's an excellent source of omega-6, which is a vital ingredient for hair growth. It both stimulates growth and nourishes hair, assisting in keratin production that gives thicker, stronger, and healthier hair. But it's not just facial hair that benefits. Hemp oil also helps with hair loss and thinning hair on your head. So, is hemp oil good for growing beards? Hair is made up of keratin, which is around 90% protein, and hemp oil adds to the protein levels and improves blood circulation. It's also a good source of many nutrients and ensures the hair follicles are nourished and ready to stimulate growth. The oil has been shown to help improve hair and beard growth for some, as well as nourishing the hair so that it grows thicker and stronger. But can it help to prevent hair loss? Hemp seed oil strengthens hair, preventing breakages from weak and dry hair. It's also an anti-inflammatory, making it a great product to use regularly when trying to keep as much hair as you can. And finally, hemp oil is great for the skin. As discussed, hemp oil is not only perfect for hair, but it's also a wonder oil when it comes to skin. Hemp seed oil is great for curing eczema and acne. It will not clog your pores, so it doesn't contribute to blackheads. Hemp seed oil is also an excellent moisturizer, which is able to penetrate and lubricate skin cells. As a skin treatment, hemp seed oil can help with eczema, redness, itchiness, dry skin, inflammation, and acne. However, make sure you use the right type of hemp oil. There are different types of oil available, but the best is cold-pressed hemp oil, which is the higher quality, unrefined type, and it's a dark green color. The other type is refined hemp seed oil, which is clear and lacking some nutrients. If you want to boost hemp oil, add jojoba oil. Jojoba oil has great hair and beard conditioning and growth properties as well. So if you're wondering where you can purchase hemp oil for beard growth, then click here. I hope you've enjoyed this video on the benefits of hemp oil for your beard, mustache, skin, and hair growth. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 19 amazing health benefits and uses of CBD oil for pain, anxiety, and cancer, plus side effects. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.